Excuse me, could you please direct me to the about to die section?
We also have a very old parrot, or you can kill my mother for money.
What?
I said we have a very old parrot. Why, did you hear something else you'd be open to?
I call him Gonzo because of the Muppet Show. And also because soon, he gone.
Peter, I don't want some elderly bird crapping all over the house.
Fine. If I can't have the parrot, you can only have one pink razor in the shower at a time.
You can have your bird.
Thanks, Jerome, but I got this.
Look, it's him!
Das bin ich. Ich erinnere mich daran.
He said, that's me. I remember that.
Meine links, nicht Bühne links.
He's saying my left, not stage left.
You're getting warmer. What? The parrot started it.